can get on a front door step. January 23rd, 2016, about 35 to 40 inches snow. Okay.